Ignition sequence start. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Tonight's game,
Liftoff. We
so
have a
let's get right
liftoff.
into another one. Today is Wednesday, September 10th. XRP is at $3 flat. Let's dive right into the charts and see what happened today. Guys, we had another green day. Let's see here. Taking a look at the daily, we did have a green day. Yeah, guys, this is huge. We actually broke this major resistance coming down here around 298. If we go to the 4-hour, you can see the break. So you can see where we broke here, we came down, retested, and we are continuing to push off of this resistance line. So that is huge, which if you zoom out here, you can see this resistance comes all the way from our top at 365 and all the way down, and you can see how strong this resistance has been. And now that we have pushed into it and we continue to push higher, this is absolutely huge for XRP. Potentially a confirmation of a significant move higher. We'll see tomorrow how Thursday goes. This is Thursday's candle right here. We're just 3 hours into it. Well, 2 hours into it. But yeah, guys, looking at the 4-hour, I mean, you can see where we broke it here, but ultimately came right back down two candles later. But now you can see we broke it here, and we're on our third candle holding above this level. So that is showing some strength. RSI is resetting down below. We are kind of consolidating up here. So this gives me high hopes for a push higher. And also note that every time we ran into this trend line, you can see that we got rejected pretty quickly. We came right down fast. We got up to it. We came right down very quickly. Right here, we couldn't even get up to it. We didn't have enough momentum from the bulls to even get up to the line. But now here, look at how many candles we are closing up here at this line, and we are continuing to push higher. So this is looking strong in my opinion. Let me know what you guys think down below. All right, looking at the weekly. So you guys can see we are in our second green week here, and guys, this could be the breakout week. This RSI looks beautiful down here. I'm looking for a cross of the RSI. It is looking like this could be setting up for a nice explosive week ahead. Things are looking pretty nice, if you ask me. We are looking pretty good, bouncing off the support. Just to note, our next major resistance is $3. We're at 299.5 right now. We got the $3 range, and ultimately, guys, we need a candle closure above 302. So I will be keeping you guys updated along the way. Tomorrow could be huge. Who knows? Tomorrow, you know, we could end up closing way above 305 even, and really be pushing up. XRP dominance against Bitcoin has also been showing a lot of strength. You can see these major levels here. We could even draw potentially a little resistance here, where we have resistance, 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 and we really need to break this resistance here. And then, you know, of course, down here you can see the different supports that we've got going on, where we had resistance here, support, support, support. So let me know what you guys think about this. You know, with XRP's dominance against Bitcoin's price, we could be coming back down to retest this range, but we'll have to see what happens ultimately. You know, as we could just break through, because we are getting very close to a breakout with the XRP dominance chart. So altogether, guys, it is looking good. If we look at Bitcoin dominance, it is continuing to fall down, which is good for the altcoins, and Bitcoin's price is moving up. So, wow, I didn't realize Bitcoin had such a green day today. So that looks pretty strong. If Bitcoin continues to push, I would expect XRP to push up with it. Let me know what you guys think. This could be a massive, massive move. And like I've explained, the next target is going to be up around $5 once we actually get a confirmed daily candle push above 305 and we break this pennant. We are looking strong. Let's dive right over into X. Just want to keep this update short, simple, and sweet. Right to the point, as you know how we do it. XLM. And guys, if you don't hold XLM, that is another one to potentially add to the bag. Of course, XRP #1. But XLM has been showing some strength as well. And guys, real quick, if we just zoom out and we take a look at XLM, you can see, you know, it has been, this actually isn't even the right chart. This is the Bitfinex chart. It doesn't even show the history here, but XLM has had a huge move up. It has consolidated down, and recently we had another major move at the end of June, the beginning of July, and you can see how fast this thing moves. I mean, this one weekly candle, and this was the last week of June into the first week of July, went up 100% in 1 week. So you see how fast this thing can move, you know. And if we did the same thing, guys, I mean, this thing takes a week to move, you know, potentially 100%. It would bring us right up to 70 cents. So ultimately, XLM has been showing some strength. It's been in this bullish consolidation pattern here. Not even going to draw the lines right now, but guys, the next area for XLM is 43 cents, and then ultimately the 51 cents, and then from there we're on our way to 80. So, but what I wanted to note here is on X, from the charting guy, XLM is repeating a 2017 fractal, just a bit stretched, exactly like XRP. So you can see XLM, this was that massive breakout, and he's on the daily, and then that consolidation, we're coming up here, and we are repeating this fractal from 2017. And as you can see, guys, into November towards December, we could be looking at a $3 XLM. So that is about close to a 10x from the current price. XLM has a lot of room to move still. Here we got from Crypto Bull. And you know what? I believe I shared this in my last video. I don't think I have too much on X today, but I'll show this again. XRP is still within the undervalued red zone. Dark green price is $4 to $45. So guys, as soon as we get up to $4, we're going to be in this dark green. Historically, we always get to the dark green at least up to the halfway of the dark green, which would be around that $10 mark. What we would love to see is a nice major move up to the light green, which would be $45 to $250. Smash that like button. Let me know what you guys think down below. Stack those bags, pack those bags. Time is running out before this thing takes off. I appreciate every single one of you guys tuning in, and I will keep you updated in the next one. Till next time.
3 things to say. God bless our troops. God bless America. And gentlemen, start your